everybody, Alex with Type Studio, and today we're gonna be tackling something quite quick and easy. We're gonna be transcribing videos online. Oh, you didn't know that was easy to do? Well, let me show you. So first, you're gonna start by going to our website, typestudio.co, and going up to the top right and signing up for a free account. Once in, you're gonna start a new project. Find that video you're trying to transcribe, drag it and drop it in, and let it upload into the program. In the video, you're gonna be met with a transcription of the dialogue on the left-hand side, and then a video preview on the right. With this, your video has been transcribed. And now you have the complete text transcription of the dialogue said within the video that you can now export in any way you'd like. But before you do that, I would suggest going through the video and re-listening through it, because sometimes if you mumble or you talk really fast like I do, the program might have a little bit of trouble picking up on exactly what you say. Usually, it's very good, but it's better to be safe than sorry. To learn how to edit the text in the transcription, I'm gonna link this video right up here. You can watch that and that'll teach you how to do it real quick. But once you feel comfortable with your transcription, you're gonna go up to the top right and choose from a number of export options. You can either download the SRT file, the VTT file, a TXT file, or even if you'd like, you can copy the text to clipboard so you can paste it in a separate document. All of those options work great and will provide you with the transcription of the dialogue from your video. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out by giving you the transcription of the video that you were looking to get the transcription for. If this video did help you out quite a bit, we would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, and also go ahead and check out our social medias. We post a lot over there, and it's not all just my face, it's a lot of updates and other content that we have going on over there. So if that interests you at all and keeping up to date with everything Type Studio, we would greatly appreciate it. But either way, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.